I saw the lights, I saw the camera, and I just thought that this is something very fascinating. I had started doing storytelling at home. My mother, she was very, excited that I develop these skills. आपको एक voice भी मिलती है theater में, आप raise भी कर सकते हो बहुत सारी चीजें through theater. So all these things that you're saying कि overall grooming, overall development, ये सब उसमें आ जाएगा, बाहर भी और अंदर भी. So yes, theater changes your life. Hi,
Hello, ma'am.
Chaitanya. Hello, good evening. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
We are very happy that you have joined us. And it is a
I'm
great
so happy that I'm a part of this and I'm getting to speak to you in this way.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. It is a pleasure for us to have you with us. So, ma'am, should we start with our session?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. So, सबसे पहले मैं सबको बता चुकी हूँ viewers को आपके बारे में. You have done theatre, you are an actor, you are a teacher trainer. And ma'am, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि जो आपकी theatre journey है, वो किस तरह से शुरू हुई and what attracted you towards theatre?
So, Chaitanya, when I was really young as in like when I was literally 3 years old, 2.5, 3 years old. So, I had started doing storytelling at home. So, in the drawing room, I would do a story and I would make sure that my parents are sitting, my family is sitting. Then I would dance and I would, hold on to a performance actually. And my mother being in the field of education, so she was always, both my parents, but my mother, she was very, excited that I develop these skills. So she took me to Abhinav Theatre to watch this national level theatre festival that was happening, and Nadira Babbar and all these people were performing. And I, as a 3-year-old, I still remember, imagine my memory of that phase is so strong that I remembered. And I was so fascinated by the way these actors, I don't know what sense I was making out of it, but I just loved it. And then after that, Chaitanya, my mother was acting in a serial, and in that I was a child artist. So I saw the lights, I saw the camera, and I just thought that this is something very fascinating. So I think I will say my journey actually began from there, because once you get attracted and you start observing this field, I think that's where the journey starts. So it started from there. Then I did my children's theatre here in Jammu. Then and then it has been going on. Then I went to Delhi University, where I was part of all the drama clubs in college and everything. And then I did theatre here in Jammu with Mushtaq sir and Ifra Kak. And then, of course, I went to National School of Drama. And then it's been going on. So it continues.
मैम, जैसे आपने बताया आप 3 साल के थे जब you were fascinated by theatre. So मैम, do you remember about the first play?
फर्स्ट प्ले बहुत फनी था, बिकॉज मेरा कोई डायलॉग ही नहीं था. फर्स्ट प्ले प्रेजेंटेशन कॉन्वेंट में था, एंड आई वाज इन क्लास 1 और क्लास 2, एंड इट वाज अ पपेट प्ले. और मेरा सिर्फ एक ही डायलॉग था. इट वाज लाइक धागे नाचे नाचे दिन. इट वाज जस्ट दिस मच, बट आई एंजॉयड बीइंग ऑन स्टेज. The fact that I was on stage was just like wow for me as a child. So I remember that it was really funny. Now when I look back at my pictures, I'm like, oh, really, really interesting.
Okay, ma'am. So who is your inspiration behind your career?
Behind my career? So I would say there's no particular human being, but definitely my mother has been a great influence, because I've seen her how she has taken care of children, and her area working with children has been very, very beautiful. So I've seen things like having a very, very sensitive attitude towards children, and that plus my own theatre thing combined, I think there's no particular this thing, but this is very inspiring for me. That inspires me.
So ma'am, theater is something that we can like practically learn. तो जब से पैंडेमिक आया है तो कहीं ना कहीं थिएटर्स काफी इफेक्ट, सो लाइक व्हाट डू यू हैव टू कि मतलब किस तरीके से जो पैंडेमिक है उसने थिएटर को इफेक्ट किया?
चैतन्य, जब पैंडेमिक हुआ तो पूरे वर्ल्ड में इट वाज अ बिग शॉक, राइट? इट वाज अ बिग थिंग फॉर everyone. I mean, all fields were getting affected, and our field was the field which involves so much of physical touch, so much of coming in intimate spaces and watching a performance. So we already have that, and we all were like, you know, the whole community of theater artists were like, ab kya karenge? What are we going to do? You know, it's now who's going to come and watch the plays? Or but Chaitanya, theater is a very creative field. Theater is about, let's make a new idea out of something. If we don't have this, we'll use this. If we don't have this, we'll do this. And last 1.5 years, not just me, the whole theater community is coming out in very different ways. There is online theater that is happening. There are so many webinars and so many workshops that are being conducted online. And somebody who's sitting in Calcutta is being connected to somebody in Jammu. Somebody sitting in London is connecting, a theater artist sitting in London is getting connected to somebody sitting in South India. So I think we have to look at the positive side also of it. So yes, it has been affected, but I think there is a bounce back. वो जो slowly bounce back कर रहे हैं, हो रहा है.
So ma'am, how do you impart training in your workshop?
Okay, so Chaitanya, I do 3 types of work. If I'll kind of put them in 3 aspects. One would be that the personality development, in which I am looking at their confidence, their creativity, their public speaking skills, their communication skills, the way they are looking at their own selves, the way they are dealing with others in their family, in their surroundings. So one could be that, a bit of what I'm trying to say. Then the other could be the acting part. So there are children who are really interested in acting and they want to learn how to come and perform. So then we work on their speech skills or their performance skills, their body language, their how to build a character. So all of that. And the third area, Chaitanya, that I work with is working with teachers. And when I say that, मेरा मतलब है वो teachers जिनको हम जो normal school teachers हैं, जिनका theatre का कोई background नहीं है, लेकिन मैं उन्हें theatre के through कुछ skills के through वो अपनी classroom को कैसे interesting बना सकते हैं या अपने classroom की methods को कैसे theatre के through enhance कर सकते हैं, उस चीज पे I work in these 3 areas, if I would say.
Ma'am, we learn a lot of skills from theatre. So what do you think, how theatre helps in our grooming?
बहुत ज्यादा. it is मतलब थिएटर आपको बाहर की, एक तो होता है ना थिएटर, जब हम थिएटर आर्टिस्टों को देखते हैं, you know, when we see actors, theater actors, we say wow, so confident, what strong body language. Even आप अपने OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स में देख लो, बॉलीवुड में देख लो, थिएटर आर्टिस्ट सबसे अलग दिखते हैं, राइट? उनकी एक अलग ही देयर इज समथिंग अबाउट देम. दैट इज द फ्रंट साइड, दैट इज जो बाहर दिखता है, राइट? वो तो ग्रूम होता ही है, पर जो अंदर सोचने का नजरिया हो जाता है ना चैतन्य, वो बहुत डिफरेंट हो जाता है. वो आप आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स जिसे कहते हैं, यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग, लुकिंग एट थिंग्स डिफरेंटली. आपका एक आर्टिस्टिक सेंस हो जाता है और आपके अंदर एक ऐसा दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ कंपैशन दैट थिएटर क्रिएट्स इन यू, दैट यू काइंड ऑफ लुक एट सोसाइटी इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे. एंड आप सोसाइटी पे क्वेश्चन भी कर सकते हो, आपको एक वॉइस भी मिलती है थिएटर में, आप रेज भी कर सकते हो बहुत सारी चीजें थ्रू थिएटर. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स दैट यू आर सेइंग कि ओवरऑल ग्रूमिंग, ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट, ये सब उसमें आ जाएगा, बाहर भी और अंदर भी. So yes, theatre changes your life.
Ma'am, how do you think, how encouraging are parents towards theatre?
How encouraging are parents? if we are talking about big cities like Delhi, or we are talking about more urban cities or the urban sectors of our country, then they definitely are understanding the importance of drama in schools now. Our folk artists, of course, all respect to them. They are doing wonderful job at what they are doing. But there are some areas still where parents still need to understand that theatre is not just a performance, but theatre के थ्रू, theatre के माध्यम से, theatre के प्रोसेस से हम बहुत कुछ बच्चे को दे सकते हैं या एजुकेशनल वैल्यू दे सकते हैं, उसके सोचने के नजरिए को चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो अभी भी कई जगह हेजिटेंसी है, बट yes, मेरे पास जो पेरेंट्स आते हैं या जिन दे आर वेरी सपोर्टिव एंड दे आर रियली इंटरेस्टेड कि यार हमारा बच्चा ही इज थिंकिंग डिफरेंट, वो सोचे, वो समझे चीजों को, वो अपने आगे पीछे कम्युनिटी को समझे. सो ऑल ऑफ दैट, सो इट्स आई थिंक इट्स वी हैव स्कोप, स्टिल स्कोप, एंड यस देयर इज अ पॉजिटिव साइड टू इट आल्सो.
मैम, एंड अगर किसी के पेरेंट्स उन्हें थिएटर में नहीं भेजना चाहते, सो हाउ कैन दे कन्विंस देम for joining?
पता है क्या है इसमें चैतन्य, सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट बात होती है कि पेरेंट चाइल्ड का रिलेशनशिप कैसा है. अगर पेरेंट ये सोचता है कि जो मैंने अपने बच्चे के लिए प्लान कर लिया है वो ही सही है, या दैट इज व्हाट इज इट हाउ इट शुड बी, तो फिर आई थिंक द पेरेंट नीड्स टू रीथिंक अबाउट हिज अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ हिज ओन सेल्फ एंड द चाइल्ड ऑल्सो. जब कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रांग होगा बच्चों और पेरेंट्स के बारे में, तो इतना फाइट करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. तब तो यू शुड बी फॉलोइंग व्हाट योर चाइल्ड इज सेइंग, एंड ऑफ कोर्स पेरेंट्स आर देयर, दे आर मेंटर्स, दे आर गार्डियंस, दे आर देयर टू पुट देम ऑन द राइट ट्रैक. बट अगर बच्चा कह रहा है मुझे स्पोर्ट्स में जाना है, मुझे इस एरिया में जाना है, ममा आई फील लाइक परफॉर्मिंग, ममा आई फील ये मेरा एरिया है, देन व्हाई नॉट, देन व्हाई शुड अ पेरेंट स्टॉप. एंड आई डोंट थिंक आज की डेट में somebody is that rigid anymore. So yes, I feel it's the communication between the parent and the child. So I think that needs to be worked out. उस चीज को देखना जरूरी है.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and what is the best thing you like about theatre?
The best thing when I work with children or when I act?
Ma'am, overall.
Acha, overall. Okay, so when I act, I love, Chaitanya, the fact that I'm able to live a different person's life. So when I'm playing a character, I love that I can portray a character. I can think about that character in that way. I can walk, I can visualize, I can understand that character and be a new human being in that sense. And when I'm working with children, that is pure love. Pure love. Because with children, it's so much of fun. They have so many things to offer. And I just feel theatre with children it's the most upcoming thing and the most amazing thing.
How difficult is it to train children?
It is not difficult to work with children. In fact, लेकिन I would say that just because आपको लगता है आप बच्चों के साथ काम कर सकते हैं, don't jump into it straight. मतलब एकदम जंप मत करो, अपने आप को ट्रेन करो पहले, उसके लिए अपने आप को उसके लिए तैयार करो पहले, क्योंकि एडल्ट्स के साथ काम करने में आपको इट विल बी मच इजियर इन दैट सेंस, क्योंकि आप एक ही एज ग्रुप के हो या एक ही माइंडसेट के हो. पर जब आप बच्चों के साथ काम करते हो, यू हैव टू रियली इट्स नॉट इजी. चैतन्य, पीपल थिंक कि अरे कुछ नहीं मिला तो चलो टीचर बन जाते हैं, कुछ नहीं मिला तो थिएटर में भी कुछ नहीं है तो चलो बच्चों के साथ काम कर लेते हैं. नो, यू हैव टू ट्रेन योरसेल्फ. आप अपने आप को पहले वो तैयार करो बच्चों के सामने, बिकॉज आप क्ले के सामने जा रहे हो, आप एक फ्रेश क्ले के सामने जा रहे हो. आप जैसे बच्चे को शेप दोगे, वो थिएटर को भी वैसे ही समझेगा और वो अपने आप को भी वैसे ही समझेगा. सो बहुत जरूरी है अपने आप को ट्रेन करना बिफोर यू गेट टू द चाइल्ड. सो आपने मुझसे पूछा हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज अ चैलेंजिंग थिंग, बट इट इज अ वंडरफुल थिंग. It is a wonderful thing to go and work with children.
Ma'am, is it easier with adults or is it easier with children?
Okay, so with adults क्या होता है एडल्ट्स की जो इमेजिनेशन है वो 5% भी नहीं होती जितनी बच्चों के साथ होती है. सो जो बच्चों की इमेजिनेशन है चैतन्य, वो इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग होती है, वो एडल्ट्स उस लेवल का सोच ही नहीं पाते. और एडल्ट्स इतने अपनी ही चीजें लेकर आते हैं अपने घर के माहौल को, उनके लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस के साथ उनको मोल्ड करना अलग प्रोसेस होता है. लेकिन बच्चों के साथ क्या होता है ना, देयर इज इनोसेंस, there is imagination, there is freshness, there is ma'am, I can think like this, ma'am, I can think like that. So I will say with children it's much easier in that sense that you can kind of bring in what you want to do, but with adults it's a slightly different process. That's also interesting, but I would say with children it's amazing.
मैम यूजुअली तो टीचर अपने स्टूडेंट को सिखाता है, सो इज देयर एनी इंसिडेंट जहाँ पे आपने अपने स्टूडेंट से कुछ सीखा हो?
हर बार, हर वर्कशॉप में, और जितनी बार न्यू जनरेशन जुड़ती है, आई मीन आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम अ वेरी ओल्ड जनरेशन, बट इवन नाउ लाइक विद टेक्नोलॉजी एंड सोशल मीडिया एंड ऑल, आई गेट टू हियर सॉन्ग्स जो मुझे भी नहीं पता होता है, जो लेटेस्ट चीज चल रही होती है वो बच्चों के थ्रू पता चलता है. पैंडेमिक कैसे असर किया बच्चों पे वो भी पता चलता है, यू नो. सो अब हर बार वर्कशॉप में मैं कुछ नया ही सीखती हूँ. एंड आई every time in my training process, end mein I thank them and I say them, I had no idea, thank you for teaching me, thank you for helping me become a better person. So they teach me every time, they are up to date, they know so much more, and the way they think and question life, sometimes even we are rigid at times, but they are not. So I enjoy learning from them.
Okay ma'am, so I have created some choices for you. Actually the last round for the life.
Okay.
choices देती हूँ, तो आपने उसमें से एक okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes ma'am, I can hear you. मैं बोल रही हूँ कि
Can you
आप
hear me? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Okay, so should I start with this?
Yes, please do.
Okay, so ma'am, my first choice is would you rather train adults or children?
Children.
Would you rather perform on stage or outside?
Outside as in camera.
No ma'am, outside as in any environment, like any physical environment, anywhere. On road or
Stage.
watch a movie or a theatre play?
Theatre play. Any day.
Listen to 80s songs or 90s songs?
90s songs.
Work in television, movies or theatre?
Theatre.
Okay ma'am, so I just had 5 choices for you. So I would
Thank you.
Do you want to convey any message to our viewers?
Yes, whoever's watching me, whoever's here, I just want to say that theatre in education, drama in education, theatre for schools, theatre for children is the way to go. And it's the most upcoming thing. It is going to be the future. So don't just open yourselves in understanding that theatre is so much beyond a performance for your child, but theatre can act as a wonderful training and a wonderful process for him to develop all sorts of skills, life skills that are very important, and also it makes you a better human being. So I think that's my short message for everybody who's here.
Ma'am, आपसे हमने बहुत सारी चीजें आज सीखी, and like we are very very glad that you joined us in our live session. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Chaitanya. All the best, and you're doing a wonderful job, and keep grooming and keep glowing.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.